Hello everybody, today we are going to present about the suggestions of strategies to sustain an industry. First is build ongoing relationships with customers. The marketer should remember customers as the most influential person on social media and through word of mouth. This fact has changed the way a company do business, as the customers and clients are empowered to make their presence and opinions known. This means they have the power to exchange events, promote products better than advertising, and can build name for future fame. The pure and transparent communication is the key to establishing lasting relationships not only on social channels but more importantly, face-to-face communication. Marketers should never take customer relationships for granted and always stay with us. Tell the customers how much they value, and why they are so special and important to the company.
Secondly, the strategy is hiring the best people and empower them. When empowering our people and let go of the regions of control, the bonds of trust are formed. If we want people to commit to our business, we got to commit to them. Provide employees with opportunity for growth and development themselves to be a heart-centered leader. The power lets them running the work smoothly. They will strive to do the best for us and our customers.
QURBA companies can renew existing technologies in used factories, suggest new machine or other tools. The company can expand existing machine to produce more new or existing product. This is because they want to add manufacturing method or packaging method that can be changed and renewed if they use new machine that are more specific and easy to use. The use of advanced technology can make the business more prosperous because of businesses today use advanced and effective technologies.
Failure doesn't mean that we will never succeed. From a positive perspective, they can serve as a motivation to continue the business of rebuilding of the business that have been failed. In order to be the successful version, an effort must go hand in hand and never give up. Strong willpower and the strong mentality failure over time is seen as a challenge for them to pursue and succeed.
Lastly, QURBA company use the differentiation strategy to differentiate their business idea compared to other companies. They set the company apart from other companies in terms of taste, machine use, product manufacture, and the method employed by the company. This makes the company presented its benefit, feature, and advantage different from other companies, especially show its unique to customers show its halal product. QURBA company can use marketing methods that differ from other companies, so the customer can see the difference used and attract the attention of existing and new customers. This is also can avoid the confuse to the customer when a similar product presented in the market. This situation is normal nowadays which duplicate other business.